How do I wire landscape lighting? If you are looking to brighten up your outdoor space with beautiful lighting, you might be wondering how to wire landscape lighting effectively. This process not only enhances your property's appearance but can also increase its value. Let's break down the steps to get your lighting system up and running. First, planning is key. Start by sketching your property. Decide where you want to place your lighting fixtures. Think about highlighting pathways, entryways, trees, or special architectural features. The transformer, which is the power source, should be placed near the house. It is best mounted at least 12 inches above the ground and close to an outdoor electrical outlet. When placing fixtures, keep them about 8 to 10 feet apart for balanced illumination. Next, you will need to choose the right components for your system. A typical setup includes a low-voltage transformer, which usually operates at 12 volts, lighting fixtures that can be either light-emitting diode or halogen bulbs, low-voltage wire to connect everything, and wire connectors to join the wires securely. Low-voltage systems are common because they are safer and easier to install, which can save you money on electrician costs. Selecting the appropriate wire gauge is also important. The wire gauge affects how electricity travels to your lights. For most residential setups, a 12-gauge wire is recommended. This helps maintain consistent brightness, especially if the wire runs are long or if you have many fixtures. Now, it's time to run the wiring. Start at the transformer and run the cable to each fixture location. Make sure to leave some extra wire length at each fixture for connections and future adjustments. Lay the cable along the edges of pathways or planting beds to avoid damage during landscaping. Bury the wiring at least 6 to 12 inches underground to protect it from water and physical damage. When making wire connections, cut the main cable at the fixture location. Strip the wire ends and connect them to the fixture wires using waterproof wire connectors. Make sure all connections are secure and weatherproof to prevent corrosion. Before burying the wires, test the entire lighting system. Turn on the transformer and check that all fixtures light up properly. This step is important to avoid digging up wiring later if something is not working. Once you have confirmed everything is working, carefully bury the wiring at the planned depth. If possible, mark the wiring locations to avoid accidental damage during future landscaping or maintenance. After installation, adjust the angles and brightness of the fixtures as needed to achieve the desired effect. Regularly inspect the wiring and fixtures for any damage or wear, especially after storms or landscaping work. From a real estate investing perspective, well-planned and wired landscape lighting can significantly increase a property's marketability. It improves nighttime aesthetics and security, signaling to potential buyers that the property is well maintained. This can lead to faster sales and potentially higher offers. Wiring landscape lighting involves careful planning, selecting the right components, running and connecting wires safely, testing the system, and burying the wiring to protect it. This project can be a cost-effective way to boost your property's curb appeal and overall value.